Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines brought to you by Options Legion.
Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook brought to you by Options Legion. Joining me today is Greg from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Greg?
The pound-dollar pair corrected downwards in the last session, falling 0.1%. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair exploded 1.3% in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The euro-dollar pair saw a minor dip of 0.2% in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The oil-dollar pair plummeted 1.5% in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. US will draw down 180 million barrels over 6 months in an unprecedented government intervention in oil markets following Russia's invasion of Ukraine. Crude prices fell about 4% on the news. Russia's invasion of Ukraine has delivered a sizable shock to the global economy that will challenge policymakers to tame inflation without quashing growth, Pierre-Olivier Gourinchas said in his first interview since taking the job in January. The dollar extended a rebound versus major peers, also resuming its rally against the yen, ahead of a key US jobs report that could cement the potential for a 50 basis point Federal Reserve interest rate hike. Australia's AIG Performance of Construction Index will be released at 22:30 GMT. The US factory orders at 1400 GMT. Japan's overall household spending at 23:30 GMT. Japan's labour cash earnings will be released at 23:30 GMT. Germany's trade balance at 0600 GMT. The US 3-month bill auction at 15:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here at Options Legion, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.